Okay, this is 34 weeks pregnancy with marginal polyhydramnios, and the what we see here, this kind of placenta having hypoechoic, this round area. Actually, this is the normal placental tissue, and this hyperechoic is pathological, not this hypoechoic. This hyperechoic texture seen at the margin of the amniotic surface of this placenta, it is the fresh bleed, subchorionic bleed. This hyperechoic area, smooth. This is the subchorionic bleed, and as it is fresh, it is hyperechoic, and that's why relatively the placenta is looking, normal tissue of the placenta is looking hypoechoic. This is not the mass lesion. Actually, the pathology is over here, this subchorionic bleed, because this whole of this placenta, which is whole of this normal tissue of the placenta, it is seen hypoechoic everywhere. So this could not be a mass lesion, abnormal mass lesion in the placenta. This is looking hypoechoic just because this fresh blood, which is seen over here, is looking hyperechoic. So relatively the placenta has become hypoechoic. So this is not a pathological placenta. Means the normal tissue of this placenta is not pathological. Only the pathological thing is this bleed. Here you can see this normal hyperechoic placenta, and here there is no bleed. So we are not thinking about any abnormal thing over here in the placenta. But yes, here there is a bleed, subchorionic bleed. So that is the reason that we think that it could be some retroplacental clot or something like that. But it is not a retroplacental clot. It is just a normal placenta which is looking hypoechoic relative to the hyperechoic subamniotic fresh bleed. And this placenta is thick. It was measuring around 5.3 centimeter. Yes, here you can see this collection over here. This is the bleeding blood, and this is the cotyledon, normal cotyledon of the placenta, which is seen hypoechoic, embedded between the fresh bleed. This is very interesting to rule out this kind of placenta. Initially I was thinking about the chorangioma and all that things, but when I applied the vascularity, it was normal. This bleed is seen in the intervillous space, subchorionic space and intervillous space. As this placenta is anterior, so this is the dependent part of the blood placenta. So the blood will collect in the dependent part when the placenta is anterior. Rest of the placenta is normal.